A little bit, okay. Alright, candidate number 4, your question is, how can young people today help promote world peace? Again, how can young people today help promote world peace? You have 30 seconds before the bell. Again, your question is, how can you help young people promote world peace? Alright, thank you. Candidate number 4. We will now move on to our next candidate. Candidate number 1. Okay, the same question goes to you. How do you feel being able to be a part of, as a finalist?
I am very grateful that I've come this far, and I am very glad to be able to answer the Q&A because I believe that I've prepared enough for this moment. Thank you.
Wow, she's prepared enough for this moment. Alright, so with that being said, let us now begin. Candidate number 1, your question is, what does unity in diversity mean to you as a representative of the United Nations? Again, your question is, what does unity in diversity mean to you as a representative of the United Nations?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Unity in diversity means that our differences are not borders. They are bridges. As a representative of the United Nations, I believe that true unity doesn't require us to be the same. It only asks us to accept, respect, and learn from one another. When we celebrate diversity, we don't lose our identity. We only strengthen our humanity. And I thank you.
Favorite over here. And now, let us continue with our next candidate. Candidate number 3.
Once again, the same question goes to you. How do you feel, or how does it make you feel that you made it this far into the final round of Miss United Nations?
Sorry.
A little bit happy, but still nervous. Alright. She still has that, A game on. Okay. So now, candidate number 3, your question is, in your opinion, what is the biggest issue the world faces today and how can we solve it? Again, in your opinion, what is the biggest issue that the world faces today and how can we solve it?
issue that the world faces today is the corruption. Because every country has corruption. Because a lot of people that sitting in the government is a greedy person that is selfish, who wants to take over the money of the people. And we can solve that by voting the right person, and not because they're someone relative from the government, that we need to vote them. We need to vote wisely and smart. And I thank you.
All right, thank you, candidate number 3. And now for our last finalist for the junior high school department, kindly step forward, candidate number 4. Okay, so how do you feel? Do you feel nervous, excited, or are you ready?
I'm feeling nervous. I did not expect to be here.
Okay, she didn't expect to be here, but now that you are here, are you ready for your question and answer?
Not really.
She's not really, okay. But still, your question is, how can we show respect and acceptance toward people from different cultures? Again, how can we show respect and acceptance towards the people from different cultures?
No money. No money, Kuya. No money.
A way of showing respect and acceptance to different cultures is by respecting their traditions and by
Wala na, panalo na manok natin.
Nagja-judge ka.
Oo, guys. Sila nakapag.
All right, thank you.